This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Try it yourself, okay? So I have one block and I can use 7. Let's see. Oh yeah, I can't do anything. It's just the win run. Well, it looks like to me I need to get to this corn. So that corn is, well, that way. And quapow. I have a block for that. I'm not sure how far away it is, honestly, so I'm just going to throw down 3 of these and hit run. Oh, that almost got us there. Let's see. Let me do 3 more and hit run. Oh, I think we hit the wall. Let me use step to walk through my code. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and then... Oh, it's this last one. Okay, we don't need that. And then what would we need? Okay, so we have 6 blocks. We can only use 1 more. When we are at the corn, well, I would want to pick it. So I'm going to hit run. There's actually an easier way to do this, though, so I'll show you that as well. This should work. Woohoo! We got some corn. Now let me show you the shortcut way, the easier way. If you're repeating yourself in code, there's often an easier way. So I'm going to grab this repeat block, repeat 3. Well, how many times do I go south? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 3 doesn't work, but watch. If I click this, I can select 5. Okay? And now I can get rid of these 4 blocks and drop in this, put it all right here. And right now I will go south 5 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And that will get us all the way to there, just as putting south 5 blocks did. Now, once the computer runs this repeat thing, it will run any code beneath it. Well, we want to pick 1 corn after we go 5 south. Let's check it out. Woohoo! We did it! Onward!